okwe maọbụ
alancho.
Alancho. So a na-akpọ ya gịnị okwe maọbụ alancho. So ihe niile a na-etinye ya anọ. Each of the hole nwere 4 seed nọ n'ime ya. And ihe akwa iji kụziere gị mgbakọ. Ịghọtara plus minus ọkwa ihe ahụ. That is what we see, the simple thing we used to learn our own plus and minus
in those days. Yes.
So fun. It's a fun way. You people are now, I don't know, your own is still fun, but I think our own is more fun. So, see,
in playing this game now, we will scatter all of them. And anyone that completes 4 again, it means if it's any of these 6, it means she has 1 house. And if it's any of this, I have 1 house. At the end of the day, somebody will be a winner. But it's going to take some time because when you play it once, you might get 2 from the other person and your own will be 8. And then the other person will have only 4. So that when you now start, until when one person does not have any house again, it means the other person has won.
Good. So ihe a na-achọ ịkọwara anyị bụ na ihe a kpachara anụ. Ihe a na-akpọ ihe a ụlọ m. Ibido na-atụ okwe a. Mgbe ị tụgidere ya, ị were anụ a itinye. Mgbe ọbụla aka gị ruru, lee ya 1, 2, 3.
Ịlaga azụ. Achọrọ m ihu ka ị ga-abịa.
Ị were ya, anụ a 1, 2, 3 ọbụla nga echere okwe a ga-echerekwa ya again tinye maka ịhụne gị werekwe ka na inwe n'otu nga i werekwa nke a akwa ịhụnne ya maka na nga ka onwezi ihe ọzọ nọ n'ihe aka m kwaziri nga. So I will leave this okwe here.
So for me now to play, what I will be interested in is to ensure that I destabilize this one. Because anyone that becomes 4, it means an advantage to the owner of the house.
And this is my house.
Yeah, so this 6 is her own. This 6 is mine. So now that she has played, if I complete this one 4, it means she has gotten 1. So what I'm going to do is to try and destabilize this, because this is the one now that will be 4 very soon if I don't take time. You understand? So that's how it is done. So what I'm going to do now, do like this, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you see I have destabilized her now. So she's not gonna get any house soon. Okay. So it means you're gonna get a house very soon now. So you have 1 house there. And you see myself too, I have 1. So I have 1 now. And so I have taken 1 of So you see now I have 2 houses. Yeah? So I'm at advantage now. And if she doesn't take time, I will get 3, because this one now, once this one completes 4. If except she's the one that completes the 4. In other words, if it's the last one that, comes on this, then she will be the one to take it. But if her own ends here or here, it means I'm at an advantage. You see,
this thing, you have to use your brain.
You think,
we are doing put calculation here.
Of course.
Okay, man, this is mathematics.
Pure mathematics.
Maths. You have now. I'm thinking of how to eat this.
How to either eat it or destabilize.
Or
How to
destabilize
eat it.
How to me now? My target now is to eat. I don't even want to.
Yes,
Stop
go
here or
beyond
stop here. I want to stop here.
Yes.
But now what am I doing?
Yes.
I will use my eye and count to the house.
Of course.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
So it's 10 okwe that we end here. We eat it. Then
Yes.
I will come here and I will say, use my eyes and look at this. Which
Yeah.
okwe we go
We'll,
round?
get
So
to that place.
Hannah, say let me count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, but when we are playing it, you are not allowed to count, but you can use your eye.
I'm just,
You use your eye to do it.
You use
but
your eyes. You can't count out.
Yes.
But I'm just telling you people that this is sense.
Is,
This is look at it as
a small
wood,
thing.
one
No.
wood and some piece of thing. No. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh,
so you see, I'm at advantage now. You see, I have 3 houses already. So look at what I'm going to do now. I go here.
Okay.
You want to use the battery?
1.
Go. Are you able to open
Now,
it?
area lemunka.
So, Dina, please let me open that up and this thing for you. So you see, what I'll be thinking is how I am going to, eat more than her. You understand? And if you look at this now, you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 now that I'm going to eat. She has 1 and possibly 2. So what I'm going to do, ordinarily, if I want, I can, continue moving this way. I can go with this and then distribute. But if not, what I have to do is I can shift my hand and go this way. Otherwise, I can distribute, like I said, this. Because if I do this, it means I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
You will acquire more houses.
While she has 1 and 2. You understand? So, whichever way you look at it, it's like I'm at advantage. The only thing is, ordinarily I will be targeting to eat this, but I can't get that one now. So, what are my options? My options might be to increase these ones, and then she will take this and possibly take 1 more from me. So let's do it the way one person will not be too. So she has 1 now. She's going to take 1 more of my own, by all standard. But again, me too, I'm going to take her own. So it depends on what she actually wants.
So it depends.
Now.
Either way.
Yeah.
Either I take his own or I go on and take my own.
Yes.
So either way, he will still eat me. He will still eat me if I don't go this way.
If you take this, you collect yours and then still take that.
Yes, but that's the much she can. At the end of the day, I will still be the one to.
Okay.
You see now, so you have 2. Yeah. Good. Now that you have 2,
You will finish her.
You will finish me up.
you see that I'm nearly settled because I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3. You understand? If I want.
Yes.
And if I get that, it means I've won because there's no other distance. So 1, 2. So I have 1, 2, 3. So you see. And once whosoever does it, and once is only 1 that is remaining, it means I've won.
He has won.
Because we can't continue now.
So did you see it?
So if
Next
you
time
look at
we'll
it
let two
now,
of you play.
you will see my houses now has increased.
Each people, 2 groups, 2 sets of people to
So
play.
who will try?
Right
You
now.
want to
The way
try?
we have time.
I want to try.
Are you sure?
Can I try?
Okay, let me start with the small one.
So you see, I got 1 house now from
Chi-chi,
auntie.
Chi-chi
So it
and,
means auntie is
so-
at this